Alright guys, today we're going to try some surf fishing out in Far Rockaway, Queens. About a week and a half ago, I was out there with my buddy Spencer, and we got some schoolies, maybe like real small, like 14 inches, 12 inches, really small schoolies. So we're going out there back again today to see if we could get into some bigger fish, bigger stripers, something. It is raining at the moment, but we have our fingers crossed that the rain will subside in like a half hour, an hour. Hopefully it'll clear up and we could get ourselves into some fish. Alright, we out here to fish. What are we trying to fish here?
We're heading out on the surf over here for Rockaway, New York. We got a 55-degree day out here. A little bit rainy, hopefully clearing up soon.
A little moist. Moist out there.
About 5:30 a.m. And trying to get those sunrise stripers.
Yeah, she's a beaut.
Yeah, baby. That's good. Morning, boys.
It's gonna be a good day. I got one on the board. That's what you got, 3, 4?
We got 3 on the board.
3 on the board. Bigger schoolies than I got. I'm gonna get there. We're yeah, so we're walking the beach a little.
Tide's turning. We're very high tide right now, waiting for it to switch up. Hopefully outgoing tide, warm the water. We can produce some fish.
Trying out a new spot here by the rocks. See if we have any luck. Alright, good morning. We are back for round 2. Surf fishing in Rockaways. Think we're gonna have some luck today, Spence?
That's the plan. You know, nice, I'm thinking 45, 46 pounder, you know.
Hopefully bigger than yesterday.
Nothing too big. But, you know, I'm thinking just a small 50-incher. We'll call it a day.
A little 40-pounder.
40 pounds, 50 inches.
Yeah. That's good. That's what we're gonna get right now. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Paddle tail right here. See if we could get ourselves a fish. Alright, I'm on, guys. We got one coming. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it's been a long time. Beautiful fish. Been out here for like 2 hours. Wasn't getting nothing. Starting to feel like we might get skunked. But we got him in the Elias V shad. Beautiful fish. Alright, let's get another. go, go. Woo! We got Spencer on over here. Alright. What does it feel like? Yeah, medium schoolie.
Coming in on the bucktail, slam shady combo.
Oh baby.
Gotta love the shady. Let's walk it back to the beach. Short and fat, I'll take.
Yeah. Seems like there's a little school passing by, so we're gonna hopefully cast out some more. Release this guy over here. He came off himself. This guy's nice. Screwy. Oh man. By the way, guys, he hit like right here in like 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet of water. Right here. Another day, another fish. Got 2 on the board today. Having some more success out here.
One fish also.
Yep, no one got skunked out here today, although it did take us quite a while to get into it. I was almost losing hope there for a second. But lo and behold, the striper showed up.